Okay guys, recently I made a video on how to make money online, and I told you making money online is real and it isn't a dream anymore. Okay, so that time it was about a website. Okay, so today I'm gonna disclose to you powerful apps that's paying massively that you'll never even imagine. Okay, so these apps have been tested and approved, so this time I can guarantee you 100% that it is proven and approved way that you can make legit money on this online space without any scam or whatever threats that people are facing on this online space. Okay, so let's explore these apps and see how powerful they are and how you can earn massively with it by just performing simple tasks. Okay, simple tasks, even like a primary student can do it. Okay, so if you know how to speak a little English, you can do it. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so this app is called DSCount. Okay, DSCount. Okay, this is the app. Let me show you from it. This is the app. It's called DSCount. Okay, and this DSCount app will allows you to partake in several. Okay, right now I think I don't have no opportunity available. Okay, I've once applied for applications and it's under review. Okay, you see it's from the top here. So once I get approved, they will send me invitation, then I'll partake in that exercise. Okay, so looking at this part, this one of the tasks I just completed and I got paid for $15 for that tax. Okay, so I applied for this tax on 22nd. Okay, no, this 22nd is when I received them, and so I applied I think 2 weeks ago and I got invitation 1 week ago. So and this day, or let's say today, I received my money from this app. So this is the app I'm talking about. Okay, so if you come to this app, I just want to sign out so that I will log in again for you guys to see. Okay, so if you are new, okay, so if you are new and you open the app, this is how the app will look like. Okay, this is how the app will look like. Okay, this is how the app will look like. So once you click on get started, they will ask you to sign in with your email. Okay, they will ask you with that. So if you click on sign up, they'll ask for your first name. Okay, so let me just do demonstration. Let's say Desmond. Sorry. Then you click next. Then you set your birthday. Okay, then you set your birthday. So let me just say 2000 is here, and you can select maybe like first. So depending on the day you celebrate your birthday, you set your birthday and you click next. Then you select your country. Okay, so right now I'm in Ghana, so I'll select Ghana. Okay, I'll select Ghana. You can either scroll down to check Ghana is here. Better still, you can just type in Ghana and Ghana will pop up. Then you add city, so Kumasi. Then you click next. Then they will ask for your email. Because I've already signed up on this app, I don't want to do sign up I don't want to sign up again to get 2 accounts. So this is how you follow this is the steps you follow to get your account created on the app. And once you get your account created, you can just sign in. Okay, you can just sign in. So let me just sign in. Okay, because I say if you have an account, an email will send to this account. Click on the link to mobile to log into the app. Okay, so I'll just go to my Gmail where I received the message. Okay, and then I'll open it here and it will take me into the app. Okay, so you see right now I'm back to my account, and this is how, if you have signed up already, this is how you will do it to log in. Okay, so this is one of the most app that is paying. Okay, the one of the this one I just applied is $85. Yeah, and you can just wait to see if I get invited and I finish the exercise and everything. I'll still come and let you guys know that whatever I said, it was true. Okay, so you can, no invitation yet. Okay, no invitation. I don't have any invitation yet, and I don't have any in progress invitation. So closed, I don't have. You see, this is the closed one, the one I just completed. Okay, the one I just completed, this is that, and I got $15 for the task I completed and for sure I have been able to withdraw this money into, like, you won't even withdraw. Okay, once you go to the app, they will ask you to set payment method, and you just add your PayPal account or the other payment method they use. But I prefer you use PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, I'll do a video on how to create PayPal account, even if you are in a restricted country. Sorry, even if you are in a restricted country, I'll guide you and teach you how you step by step on how you can get your PayPal account. Okay, so let me go to my Gmail to show you the message I got when I got paid. Okay, so let's see. There's the message. You see, DSCount Inch has sent me 15 USD. Okay, so this is the appreciation letter they sent attached to them. So this task was about games. Okay, this task I completed was about games. Okay, so you can also do it, and once you get approved, they will make sure they pay your money to you. Okay, so the next app is called MCrypto app. Okay, so guys, this is the MCrypto app. Okay, this is the MCrypto app. Okay, and with the MCrypto app, it has several ways to make earn. Okay, so let's start the app. Okay, so this one, they are asking me to choose account that I want to log in with. Okay, so I've already opened account here, so I'll just use the account, the email I used when I was logging in or creating the account on the MCrypto app. Okay, so let's wait. You see, right now it has just taken me straight into my dashboard. Okay, it has taken me straight into my dashboard. Okay, and this MCrypto app has several ways of making money or earning. Okay, so the first one is what we call the play and earn. Okay, and with the play and earn, you just tap on play and earn, and then you read the instruction, then you continue. Okay, once you continue, this is how it will look like. Okay, so let's agree, allow tracking. That's how they will access. Okay, so you go to your settings and give the app the permission, and then you come back. Okay, so this is the play and earn. Sorry, let's do it this again. Let's do it. Okay, so right now you see these are the games that I can play to earn money. Okay, these are the games. All these games, once you download them onto your phone and you play them, the number of time you play will generate you money. Okay, so this one, it has a total coin of 217. Okay, sorry, yeah, 217. A coin per task is 122 coins. Okay, so this is how you do it. You tap on play, and it will take you to Google Play Store. Then you will install the app. Okay, you install, and once you start playing the game, then the longer you play the game, the more points it accumulates. And you can see I have these points here. It's not even up to. Okay, so this is the points I just redeemed. So the minimum withdrawal for this app is 2,900 coins. Okay, 2k coin, that's 2,900 coins for 0.3 USDT, and get 9,700 coins for 1 USDT, and 48,500 coins is 5 US dollar, and 97,000 yeah coins is 10 US dollar. Okay, so that was one aspect of the app. And also you can take service and offers to make money. Okay, so you see where they've written app task. So let me show you first where they've written app task and several offers. All these are ways you can make money on this MCrypto app. Okay, so if you tap on here, there's the app task. These are the available ones, and maybe I want to choose the Fiverr task. I'll just click on start, and when you click on start, it will bring you here. Okay, and this one too has games. Okay, so once you download any of these games and you play, the more you play, the more you accumulate coins, and the coins, the more I've already told you the amount of coins you can withdraw. Okay, so once you accumulate enough coin and you want to draw, you just tap on redeem, and then you choose the kind of coins you want to use, either USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance coin, or Ripple. So if you want to use the USDT, just click on the USDT, and if you reach the minimum withdrawal rate, you see this one with 10 green. Okay, see that line here that's indicating a blue with 10 green, and once you click on it, they will ask you to provide your
USDT wallet so that you can claim your reward. Okay, and also you can take service. Okay, this service, and you have bit service, you have Pullfish, and you have CPX service. Okay, so assuming you want to take Pullfish, you just click on it and service loading. So if service are available according to your profile, they will just allow you to complete service. Okay, let's try bit service. So this is how you can earn. And one thing that you can also earn from this app is you can just be downloading the apps and be getting scratch cards. Okay, so these are scratch cards. These are scratch cards I've used. Okay, so you see, once you download any app from this website, you get a free scratch card. Okay, so once you download any app, any app or any game from this website or this app, you get scratch card. And also you can invite friends to make additional income. So this is the referral program, this is your referral link. Okay, this is your referral link, and you can copy it and share it with your friends so that once they download and play or use the app, you can also get pro bonus. Okay, so refer friends to earn coins. Okay, what you get is you get 1,000 coins. Okay, for inviting a friend. Your friend, what my friend gets, your friend will also get coins, but that one, yeah, is not indicated specifically. So when your friend earns, you earn 10% commission of your earnings. Okay, so this my referral. Okay, you see all these coins was accumulated through referral programs. Okay, all these coins was from what a referral program. So this is how you can also earn money from this crypto app. Please, if you find this video helpful, help me and give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel to get more wonderful updates like this. See you in my next video. Or if you want a link to these apps, you can just comment link. Okay, just comment link and I'll send you the link straight to your DMs. Okay, see you in my next video.